Hi, welcome to my channel. Today, I'm excited to guide you through how to watch YouTube in your car in 2025. I'll demonstrate a safe and convenient way to access YouTube from your vehicle. Before diving in, I just want to point something out. Safety is the top priority. You should never use this app while driving. With that said, let's jump into the solution. CarTube is an app that lets you enjoy YouTube and other platforms directly from your car's screen. Setting it up is straightforward. Simply connect your device via Bluetooth or use a wired connection with CarPlay, and voila! You'll have YouTube content ready to go. If you want to learn how to set up CarTube and enjoy YouTube in your car, stick around as I walk you through the step-by-step process. Grab your phone and let's get started. We'll start with 2 quick setup steps specifically for iOS users. Android users can skip ahead to the installation instructions. If you're on iPhone, go to your device's settings. Navigate to General, and tap on Background App Refresh. Make sure it's set to either Wi-Fi or Wi-Fi and mobile data. This ensures the app updates and runs smoothly in the background. Next, return to the Settings menu and select Battery. Check that low power mode is disabled, as having this on could interfere with the app's performance. These small adjustments are essential for ensuring your device is ready for installation. Now that these checks are done, we can proceed to install the app. Open your browser and visit appbinge.com, a trusted site offering modded apps. Search for CarTube and select it from the results. You'll see details about the app, including download stats and user ratings. Hit the Download Now button to start the process. The system will download and install the necessary files quickly. Once the installation is complete, you'll see a confirmation message. If you don't see it and it's your first time on the website, it could mean you'll need to download free additional files to verify. Don't worry. It's a quick and easy step, and the website includes a tutorial to guide you through it. Once it's completed, the installation will finalize. I've already installed it myself, and everything works great, and that's it. You're now ready to enjoy YouTube in your car with CarTube. Thank you for watching until the end. If this tutorial helped you, please leave a like and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. If you run into any issues or have questions, drop a comment below, and I'll be happy to help. Thanks again.